Z, head ice cream maker at Pop Track Ice Cream here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today, we're going to show you how to make a brand new flavor of hot honey biscuits. We've got whole milk, 480 grams, heavy cream, 665 grams. We're going to use 5 egg yolks, no egg whites, and then we're going to add hot honey, 305 grams. And lastly, just a half teaspoon of sea salt. For this recipe, we're going to use about 3 big biscuits, about 10 ounces. These biscuits were made by our pastry chef, Pippa Allen, using her mom's famous recipe. And we will cut them into bite-sized pieces that we will mix into the ice cream after we churn it. With our 5 ingredients, we're going to add them all to the Vitamix at once. We're going to start the blender on low. And from here, we're going to transfer the ice cream base to a pan. And we're going to want to cook it on medium heat. Really keep an eye on it. We're going to want to constantly stir it. So we just reached our temperature of 160 degrees. So now we're going to transfer it into a larger container. I like to strain it because if we did burn any little chunks on the bottom, the strainer is going to catch that. We're going to want to put a lid onto it and put it in the fridge until it cools, preferably overnight, and then from there we will churn it. We have our base. It has been refrigerated overnight. We're going to put it into our ice cream machine. We're going to turn it on. Take it out, and then we're just going to start layering in ice cream and biscuits. So we're going to put a little scoop of ice cream, put in some biscuits. Another scoop, mix them in there, put some more biscuits in, another scoop,